Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning whether we can find an account number on eToro or not. If you are looking for a way to find your account number on eToro, then first of all, let me tell you that there is no particular account number within your eToro platform. But instead, you can find a username on eToro, which can be used for verifying your identity or interacting with the customer support. So if you want to find your username, then first of all launch open the eToro application and sign into your account. After you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. This will open up the expanded menu where you'll need to go ahead and scroll down and tap on settings. Under settings, you will be able to see your username at the top. And that's how you find your username. So as of now, there's nothing whatsoever known to be an account number on eToro, but instead you can find your username and use it whenever necessary, such as identifying yourself or interacting with customer support. I hope the tutorial was a bit helpful to you. If it was, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you never miss out on another update from Crypto Basics. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.